So today I just want to show you guys how to use the Medela Pump-In Style Advance. I have recently started pumping more than I am breastfeeding. I hardly breastfeed now, and that's going to be for another video. But today I just want to show you guys how to use it. And before I do that, I just want to show you guys how I clean it prior to, like my setup, how I clean it before I start pumping. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing. And yeah, I make lifestyle and mommy videos. Okay, so stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, so now I just want to go through the parts, you guys. So this is the container, and these guys are the breast shields, and it comes in 3 sizes, I believe. And these are the connectors, and these are the membranes. And these yellow things are the valves. Okay, so on Medela website and on their instruction booklet, they say that they have to be dry when you connect all the parts. However, in my case, sometimes like pumping just happens so quickly, and I pump every 2 to 3 hours, so they are still wet. Sometimes I just connect all of them even though they are wet. But I have to say, if you are going to do that, please make sure that you wash these parts, that you are using water that is actually safe to drink. So yeah, that makes me comfortable doing that. But if you're not, then just wait until they are all fully dry. Okay, so now let's connect them. We connect this on the bigger hole. You'll know which one will fit, because this can only fit on one of these and not on the other one. Okay, and then the valve, just push it a little bit. And then another thing to note, when you wash them, you'll find that sometimes they're hard to take off. Just make sure you grab it, and then you just kind of like give it a good shake like that. And then we want to put the membrane. See that little thing right there? Then you just want to snap that. Okay. And then this thing right here is what goes inside. Alright guys, so this is the machine, and I just leave it like that. That's how it is, that's how it comes with. And these are the tubing. So what you want to do is basically the tubing, just want to center this. So these right here, this one goes over here, that little hole right there. Okay, and then I'll connect the other one right there. And then the one that's just like an empty tip like that, it comes like this. You want to insert that over here and over here. Now, if you are single pumping, you basically just take whichever one. Take whichever one and take this and cover it. Okay, doesn't matter which one. So that, okay. And then the adapter. So obviously we plug this. Okay, and then this little thing right here goes on this side. Okay. Okay, now that we are focused. Okay, so basically what you want to do is, obviously this one goes to, you know, the breast shields, go to your boobie. Alright, and then basically you switch. This is the switch, you turn it on. Okay, and then it will start the stimulation phase, and then you adjust the speed just by turning the speed select, switch clockwise to a cycling speed, and just choose whichever speed you're comfortable with. After 2 minutes, the stimulation phase will automatically change to the expression phase. And then I always use this one for let down. I love using this one. I just feel like it's just pumping is just so much faster. So I start with like, you know, I just start with like maybe the second dial or the third button right there, and then after like a few seconds I'm gonna go a little bit higher, and then until I'm like ready for it I just go maximum, and then I press the let down. I press this let down button even on like when I'm like still over here. I just find that it's so much faster that way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you turn it off, and then when you see any condensation in your tubing, you basically just have to, once you're done pumping, obviously you disconnect these things. Just disconnect these things. There you go. And then just leave this one there too, and then just turn it on, and then that should help get rid of it, and just let the air flow. And then for storing, I basically just leave the tubing inside the bag. Okay. Also, I wanted to mention too that prior to using this, you want to sterilize all the parts for 10 minutes. And I still do once in a while, like every 2 weeks.